Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are a fresher or planning to join an IT company, so this video is going to be very useful and very important for you. So in this video, I will be breaking down the HCL offer letter. So we will see what they offer and what will be the enhanced salary and the terms and conditions for this offer letter. So basically this offer letter, let's quickly look at the basics first of all. So here the role is a senior software engineer, and this role given to the fresher who comes from the after doing the post graduation, I think. And for if you're doing the graduation, then there will be the software engineer, and the person who was coming from the NITs or IIT, then they will be given the position of tech lead. So the location, on this location currently, this is for Noida location. So you can see, so it is giving the Noida location. And but there are but there are in every state, I think most of the states they have the office. So I we will discuss the location also. So and the salary here, the package CTC is 6 lakhs per year. So sounds impressive, right, for a fresher? So we will see, like, six. It is a 6 LPA, so it is not your in-hand salary. So it includes the allowances, PF, insurance, and variable pay basically. So and so we will also discuss what you get actually in your bank account. So somewhere approx to 40 to 45K. So per month you will be getting, right? So it's a very big difference if you calculate. Yeah. So here the you can see, so it comes under the band of E1, so E1 1.2. So here the role is senior software engineer. So this was the joining date of for this person. So here is the location. So it is the head office for the HCL. So Noida EE economic special economic zone. So it's in Noida 126 sector. So this one is the package you will get, 6 LPA. And one more thing also. So if you see here, so here is the service agreement of 12 months. So like अगर आप 12 महीने से पहले छोड़ते हो, so you have to pay 50,000. So that is the clause here. And yeah, so you will be on the 12 months of probation from the date of joining. So that is also the one of the clause. Yeah, so let's move forward. So one more thing also. So like the notice period is here 90 days. That is the 3 months. So once you got the offer letter, then they will do the strict background verification. So you need to submit all the documents like education, address, and previous company you were having, and any mismatch, they can cancel your offer letter. So like they hire the third party companies which are doing that BGP verification basically. So there are some pros and cons. So like the positive tone is, like, if you're a fresher, then it is good. So entry, like it gives you the entry into the IT industries, and there are very a lot of learning opportunities. So but the cons here is, like, the bond is, so I told you it's like 1 year you have to serve, or otherwise you have to, if you leave the company before 1 year, so then you have to pay that 50K. So and the 19th day notice period. And so that is the thing here. So location is currently, this is Noida. So they will give you the medical checkup. So I think for 5,000 they have the dental checkup, and somewhat for 5,000 you can claim for the आप चश्मे बनवा सकते हो, स्पेक्ट्स बना सकते हो. And they offer health checkup, I think free for your family. So that includes mother, like mother, father, and yourself, your wife in general, once in a year, I think. Okay. Then like they are saying that training program you can go, and increment and performance promotions. So that if you see 12 months from the date of joining, so after 1 year you will get some increments, and and promotion maybe after 2 years you will get it. So this is the separation is 90 days, so you have to serve the 90 day notice period. So for background, I already inform you working hours. So it depends upon the your shift timings are very or from like 9 to 5. So basically it's a job. And so this is the documents which you have to submit: highest qualification degree or mark sheets, and provisional degree if you have the, and the address, permanent and current address. So and previous employer experience and relieving letters, and a BGV form, and and PAN card. That is the mandatory thing here. So this is the photocopies you have to give. So it is also mentioned here. So the locations here, the like for the HCL onboarding, it's Noida, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Lucknow, Madurai, and Nagpur. So should you accept this offer? So it's a good starting point, but if you already have better options, then you have to think twice. And I think, yeah. So if you go for the compensation structures, so you will be having the basic salary, monthly allowances, variable pay, and the insurance benefits basically. So this is the CTC part. So it covers city or CTC will cover these all things. So HRA, and they also give the food wallet, holiday allowances, their advanced statutory bonus, so and compensatory so these are some of the allowances. And one more thing also, that is the performance bonus. So I think 20% will be the performance bonus from your CTC. We will discuss about the the breakup of the CTC in the next video, so where how much you will get in the enhanced salary. So PF is also deducted, so that is the 12% of the basic, and gratuity, we will get the gratuity, and you will get the life insurance and disability insurance also. Yeah. So that's for this video. I hope if if this video is helpful for you, then make sure to hit the like button, and subscribe for more real insights. And thank you.